When I was 6, I stuck a fork into an electrical outlet because I was curious. I think that was the beginning of exploring the force that was outside myself that could have physical effects on me and my brain and my reality.
I think Andrew's work blends this beautiful use of media and technology and design into these exciting moments of storytelling.
Time is nature's way of keeping everything from happening all at once.
I'm Andrew Schneider. I'm a director, designer, performer, writer of Nervous System, which has been developed here at MIT Cast. Being here at MIT has been different than other places we've been to. Most places are venues that we load in and out of. They program a season, and we come in, we do the work, and we load out. Being here is sort of more of a research laboratory. We're thinking about things differently here. When I think about the work, I think about the work in not just this show, but about a trajectory of shows. And so a first show that we made sort of explores parallel universes and perception. And then a second show explores shared consciousness and what happens to a human body after it dies. And this show springs out into what is reality and how do we interface with it. Some of the goal is to sort of get the audience to question what is real. We concentrate more on making you feel a thing or perceiving your own perceptions or seeing yourself see, like realizing that you are a being who has perceptions or realizing that you are a mind who thinks. What we try to do is use technology in service of manifesting humanity, I would say, to expose the technology, then strip it away, and then be left with human beings in a room together.
This artist in residency program here sort of gives us this major advantage over the other things that are out there, because not only do we get to bring in artists that we think are really important in the current contemporary world, we get to expose our students to that kind of work and they get to experience it firsthand. So even when we see a show at another institution, we see the facade of the show, but we don't get to go backstage and really find out how it works.
Hold please.
He was using tools that are really not that different than what other theater artists are using, but he's using them in sort of a new and exciting way.
So this is, I guess, my way of actually interfacing with a mass of people and sort of saying, hey, right, does anyone else experience life like this? And doesn't it feel like this? And that's what I think theater in its essence actually does. Is say those same things, and I think that I just happen to go about it in a different way.